Hello traders, in this video we are going to be taking a look at the Samurai Sun EA for MT5. This is an institutional grade algorithmic system focused on stealth execution and advanced protections. So let's break down the features and what makes it different. But before we dive into that, you can download the free Forex report for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so let's get back to it. From the MKL5 page, we can see that the Samurai Sun uses a proprietary institutional execution architecture with two-stage stealth execution. You can see it places orders without immediate stops/targets attached to avoid recodes and slippage. It includes an AI perceptron filter for pattern validation and multiple broker defense mechanisms like price validators, spoofing detectors, and latency guards. The system incorporates multi-time frame trend analysis, dynamic risk management, and strong prop firm compliance features like daily loss limits and equity guards. It's designed for Forex and Gold with adaptive trade management, including ATR trading and partial closes. So as you can see, it looks kind of like the EA is more focused on advanced protection than actually taking trades. Um, the developer keeps on hitting on the fact that it has advanced protections and different layers of risk management to help protect your accounts. So we can take a look at some of the key advantages here. You can see persistent equity guard. You can see marks, drawdown, and daily profit targets are now saved directly to terminal global variables, guaranteeing that your risk parameters survive MT5 crashes or VPS restarts without resetting. We also have the execution quality monitor, which actively logs every single trade to a local CSV file, permanently recording requested price, executed price, spread, and slippage points to keep your broker honest. Another advantage is the multi-layered risk management, like I previously said, and you can choose from fixed lots, risk percentage, anti-martingale, or volatility adjusted sizing. There's also the adaptive trade management, which features ATR, arbitrary range based trading stops, 3-tier step-based profit trailing, and break-even protections. Then there's a spread and freeze level immunity, which automatically calculates dynamic plus 150 points plus 150 point safety buffers to protect pending orders during periods of extreme volatility or midnight rollovers. Then there's the multi-level partial profit taking, which secures a percentage of your position once a predefined risk to reward ratio is achieved, allowing the remainder to trail the end. So it's something like a trailing TP. Integrated time and news filters. These are quite explanatory. Automatically pauses trading during specified hours, specific days, or high impact news events. And then you have the push and telegram alerts, which fully integrated instant telegram, email, and push notifications for seamless remote monitoring. Right, so it's quite clear. The developers put in different layers of account protection or risk management um, for use in this EA. I can see it. We have customizable input parameters as well, which include the money management settings, exposure and prop firm risk limits, broker defenses and trade pacing, core trading settings, including the magic number, stop loss pips, take profit pips, max spread pips. We also have the break even and partial close trading stop settings, AI perceptron and MCF trend filter settings, session time and news filters, and then As for the setup instructions, the developer advises to attach the expert advisor to a chart with the recommended time frame of the hourly or daily. You should ensure auto trading is enabled in the MetaTrader 5 terminal. Configure your preferred money management settings based on your account size or prop firm rules. If using news filter external price validator, ensure allow web requests for listed URL is enabled in terminal settings. You go to tools, options, and then expert advisors. Then finally, use the on-chart interactive panel to manage trades globally, close all positions, or execute manual trades synchronized with EA's risk management engine. Alright, so support is provided exclusively via the MKO5 comment section and the built-in MKO5 message system. Okay, so there we have it. You can take a look at what it looks like from the developer's testing. You can see there was a net profit of 165,432. So that's basically for a 100k account. We had this as a net profit, which is 165%, and the max drawdown was 8.9%. Okay, so I think this finished for a period of 4 years from 2020 to 2023. All right. So that's how we have it on the developer site. And when I actually put this EA through my own personal testing, the results were quite surprising, but at the same time, I would say it's actually in line with what is claimed on the developer's website or what the developer says. Because for the period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026 on the recommended SAU USD trading pair, you can see that the EA took absolutely no trades. There were zero trades, no trades at all. You can see the initial starting balance, which is $10,000, and there's no net profits or any losses. You can see the graph is just flat right from where it began up to the end of the period. So you see the way it is, it just stays that way. It didn't actually take any trades. Probably because the system's internal parameters didn't see any suitable conditions for it to actually take a trade. So I would say it's actually spot on with the claims of advanced risk protections, but at the same time, this isn't really an EA for traders who are really into the kind of fast-paced trading or want consistent trades or consistent results. Okay, so compared to standard retail EAs, the institutional features like AI vectors, price validation, and prop compliance standouts is more sophisticated in protecting against broker-related problems than actually taking trades. Alright, overall, the Samurai Sun EA stands out as a sophisticated protection focused system with institutional features. It has strong potential for disciplined traders but requires proper setup and understanding. Definitely worth testing if it fits the profile. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex button in the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.